Welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanveer. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here for explaining gradient. This is the floor. This is our floor. And this is the stairs. Using the stairs, you are going ground floor to the second floor. So this is the one type of stairs. And this is one type of gradient. At the same time, many times you go from the second floor to the down floor. This is another type of gradient. Okay? And for getting the result of gradient, there are two types of formula. This is the second floor, right? And this is the ground floor. This is the first floor and this is the ground floor. So obviously the value of first floor will be up. The value of first floor y1 and value of ground floor is y2. Okay? At the same time, the value of x1 minus x2. On the other hand, there is another formula for getting gradient. This is the ground floor and this is the first floor. Obviously, the value of first floor will be at the beginning. Okay, why we are taking y2 first? y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. You may raise question, why is giving the priority? Because in the time of making the stairs steeper or less steeper, as this is the y line, y has a great dedication. How much that will be raised or flat? So y. Now we are putting the value. You are watching y1. Okay, y1 is equal to 3. y2 is equal to 1. y2 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to minus 2. And x2 is equal to again 2, only 2. x2 is equal to 2. So finally, the result of 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And this is minus 2 and this is again 2. So minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4. Finally, the result is minus half. Minus half. This is the result of one gradient. And if we put the value of y2 is equal to minus 1. And y1 is equal to minus 3. Okay? x2 is equal to only 2. x2 is equal to only 2. And x1. Okay? x1 is equal to minus 1. So the result of upside will be, okay, that will be plus 3 and minus 1. So minus 2. Finally, plus 3 and minus 1. Finally 2. And downside will be, that will be minus plus and 3. So 2 upon 3. Okay. So this is the result of gradient of this part. And this is the result of this part. Now, we want to make the equation of this part. I am erasing this on. Now I want to make equation of this on. Okay, the value of gradient is minus half, right? And equation is always y is equal to gradient then x plus c. So this gradient will be put here. So minus half. In the equation, this is always gradient minus half. So minus half x. Now we want to complete the equation. Now we have to put the value of x. In this two value, which value we will apply? This is the starting point. This is the starting point and this is the up point. Up point determine how much the gradient will be steeper or not. That's why we have to take this value. This value don't have to be used in the type of equation at the time of getting equation. So what is the value of x and what is the value of y? Y is equal to 3. So 3 has to be put here. And x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 has to be put here. So what is the value of c? The value of c for getting so what is in total? That is minus this cut. So finally this is 1 plus c. So 3 is equal to 1 upon c. So 1 plus c is equal to 3 and c is equal to 3 minus 1. So c is equal to 2. So we have to put 2 here. So now again we are writing the equation. So y is equal to the if we put again x here, x, if we put x here and there was the gradient, again write the gradient here. After getting c, again we have gone to the previous situation. This is the gradient we got from the mathematics, this part. This is the attitudes of the equation. This is y, this is always gradient, this is x and this is the value of c. Okay, so finally I want to conclude that for getting gradient, if the gradient is like this, you have to put this value first and this value last. And if the gradient is like this, you have to put this value first and this value last. Thank you very much.